Alright, what is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey. We are headed to Walmart because we gotta do a quick little Walmart run. Get some stuff for the crib. Oh, look at the mud back here. Oh my god. I'm gonna need a car wash later, man. Look at the mud. No wonder everyone has trucks back here. See, this is the part of Florida they don't show you. This is what they don't show you. All the dirt roads. Everyone's got quads. Look at that. I know my car's gonna be filthy after this. But then again, this has to be great. I know they'll probably think I'm crazy with this thing on my head, but everyone in like the countryside, bro, less traffic, less people. I'm afraid that I would end up liking it too much. Like, I'm afraid that if I was to ever move to the countryside or anything like that, like, or be in a trailer like this, I might end up liking the privacy too much, and I'm not gonna want to be around people. So for me, I'm like, nah, let me stay, you know, to where I'm like around people and I'm chilling. Because if you ever notice, I don't know if you guys ever peeped this, but anyone who lives in like a small town, if you ask them to come downtown somewhere, their first answer is, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about being around all those people. What? It's crazy, but it's true. That's how it is for a lot of people. Like, they just don't like being around a lot of people, which I get. But I know some people where it's so bad they can't even go to the grocery store by themselves. Like, they have to have somebody with them. It's crazy, man. And to think a few years ago, social anxiety and all these types of anxiety didn't even exist, and now they got medicine for any type of anxiety that you need. In the comments, let me know what you guys normally get from Walmart. I like Walmart because they just have so many things. Like, you can go in there for a couple of things, and then by the time you leave, you're leaving with like 20 things. What the hell? So yeah, it's the same thing as Target, right? Everyone goes into Target like, okay, I'm only getting a couple things. And don't go to the one where you gotta wait in line. If you wait in line, you're gonna end up buying something else that's by the register. That's why I just go to the self-checkout. But even now, I feel like everyone does the self-checkout, and then the lines are still long for that. So it's like, I'm trying to be in and out the store. Let's put in sport real quick. Let's get a nice little pull for you guys for a minute. I really need a microphone by exhaust, because every time I film these POVs, I hear the burbles like crazy, but then when I go back to edit it, I can't hear shit. So unless I rev it up like how I do like this, I can hear that. But if I just go on the gas and then like let off, you guys can't hear it, but I can. I don't know what type of fuels those are. I really have no idea. Also, let me know if you guys want me to do a video strictly in track mode. Like, I'm gonna just have the car in track and just go crazy. I might do that for sure. And me, I always prefer manual mode if I'm in sport or track, because the car shifting by itself, it shifts too quick. And sometimes it shifts too early if I'm trying to brake, and I just hate that. So manual mode is much better to me. So on this side, bright view. Never heard of that company before. I literally have always wanted to know, like, what do other people think when they see a Corvette on the road? I'm dying to know what people say when they see my car. I know for a fact there gotta be a bunch of haters. I get constantly from like college kids, they'll freaking roll down their window and be like, nice Ferrari. I'm like, well, you can't afford it, so appreciate it. What is that? So many places I've never been before. Oh, that was a bad pothole. I didn't see that until the last minute. Oh my gosh. We're almost there at Walmart. 12 minutes to go. I swear, I love filming these POVs. Especially going back to edit them, because it's not really much editing that you have to do. The bearables. Oh, I was watching Tree Sheet F30. I don't know if you guys have seen his videos, but I'll put it somewhere in this video. And he was kind of explaining like his journey while filming videos, like when he first started out that he wasn't really confident on video, and then now he's like, I'm so used to filming with the GoPro. And it truly is just like, you gotta get comfortable with it. Like, it's weird. People are gonna think you're weird as hell for a fucking GoPro that's on your face, but in the end it pays off, right? Like, your channel's gonna grow, everything is gonna grow, so you can't really think about it. And if you think about it, you know, you might not like how people view you when you are filming or when you are wearing the GoPro strapped to your face, but when you see all the views coming in, you see the people liking the video, you see people supporting, that's when you start to really enjoy it, because you're like, you know what, I get to have fun, do something I love, which is cars, and you get to monetize off that. Like, come on, it literally doesn't get better than that. It doesn't. Sounds so good. I just love the instant power, man. Oh, so good. how can people hate this car? Like, there's literally nothing to hate. You simply cannot hate this car. Why do people get so nervous? Downshift. I think it's the next light. Well, not the next one, but a couple lights down. So yeah, it was supposed to be raining today around this time. They said it was gonna rain until 4 o'clock, but luckily there hasn't been no rain, so I kind of like it. I've seen some people do rainy day POVs, and I was kind of against it because I'm like, it's kind of boring. Like, you can't do anything, and it's like you can't really push your cars, so it's like you just got to talk the whole time, which is fine to me. I don't care about talking the whole time, but it's like I feel like they're just not as entertaining as other POV videos. But hey, when you build a fan base, I'm sure. Is that a cop? Oh god, please don't pull me over. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna wait for him to go so I can come over. Let me try to go behind this truck. Yeah, because I was gonna go behind him, but I'm like, nah. If he throws on his freaking lights because he sees that I have a GoPro on my face, that's gonna ruin the whole video. So even though people getting pulled over, it does bring in a good amount of views, but I do not feel like getting pulled over right now. All right guys, the cop finally moved. Oh shit, I'm making it right. I'm sure this. Yeah, the cop finally moved. I just didn't want to get, I just didn't want the cop to see and be like, oh, what's that on his face obstructing his view? Let's pull him over. So, that's the last thing I wanted. So we're pulling into the Walmart right now. Should be somewhere over there. Oh, also another thing, I've been seeing a lot of car YouTubers get into like Twitch streaming and Kick streaming. Let me know if you guys want to see that too. I could do that because I have the whole setup at home, so I could get into that, but let me know if it's something you guys would want to see, or if you want to just keep POVs and car stuff on this channel. So definitely let me know. anytime you guys park in a big parking lot like Walmart or Target or something like that, do you guys park close to the front or do you park in the back? I try to park in the back. I really don't want people parking next to me, but somehow whenever, oh damn, that scraped something, but whenever I go inside and come back out, there's always somebody right next to me. So we have arrived at Walmart, people. But we have arrived. Let's go to the right. Let's go in the back. Guy came out of nowhere. Oh yeah, we're gonna park this right along the side right here. Be away from everybody. That's what I like. Perfect. Right here. Come on, truck. I'm trying to park up, my guy. I ain't trying to be stuck here. There we go. Alright. Alright, guys. Finally got to Walmart. I'm gonna go do some shopping real quick. Get all the stuff I need and get back to you guys. But I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching another POV. It means a lot. Please like the video for me. It really helps. So please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.